Hello, my people. This is Untouchable Mama. How una dey? I greet the full house. Hope say una dey fine. God go bless una to una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. I really appreciate una. First of all, may I say happy birthday to Ebony Obasuji. I wish you long life and prosperity. I wish you all the best in life. I wish you what you wish yourself, my lovely sister. My people, I just talk a little bit of wetin Ebony do yesterday. Una know say sometimes person dey provoke. Dem provoke Ebony yesterday as she dey do live video. Be like say somebody dey ask am say you too dey throw money for when you go party. Wetin you don achieve? So Ebony provoke. Ona wa haragbeyan. You know say sometimes you need to you go throw away everything wey you get for inside your mind. So my sister, you know one thing, sometimes people dey comment, dem go comment to provoke you. Why some go comment na something good na dem dey tell you because of wetin we dey see. Una know say some people dey, many dey, I no wan mention any name, wey don make am for life before, no? May I just say the time when they do movie or music, no? So, but when they come old, you come they see say they not get house, they not get where they stay. They stay with their brother. Now inside this social media, now we for hear everything, see everything where really they happen. Many of una don't see and not be lie. So I believe say now advice that they give Ebony, it just that no say they too they attack this Ebony of our sister, they too they attack her. So she just come provoke, talk many things, and she say she they help many people because if she they help people, it they make her day happy. I pray may you not help people, may you forget yourself. You know say sometimes only una now we say name and we do me make God not let that one happen to your life because many people dey where really they do something they go say now wetin they make them they happy na be that one you know fit change them but it's just a little advice where somebody go give you, maybe go provoke you, go make you say you dey think say I don't know wetin I dey do now wetin I like now they do not tell me wetin I want do. And if it be say you don't see do wetin many things where people don't know, but since they're not the same for social media, they think say maybe you never achieve anything. You know me say you carry and come social media. If you feel like if you carry and come, now no say social media now some place where you carry something come. Some people they go like and why some go beat you, they go even tell you say you go I bet carry go. Now I know you want start time, you know the shame, and now your mate they do this one, your mate don't do the other one. It's still there like that. It depends of if you like you carry yourself, if you not like you not carry yourself come. But sometimes now just to advise you say not dey throw away money like that or make you still dey keep am make you take do something that one let me believe na Ebony provoke. So he shout for the person, he tell am everything because of they don first dey attack am too much. We know now once they hear say Ebony there, they will just start, especially those one wey no like am because not be everybody go like you. So my people, Ebony, happy birthday once again. You say you dey give well. My birthday na next month on the 11th. Abeg me go drop my account for under this video. May you throw wetin as they take call am, not be euro, 1,000 naira, not be 1,000, 100,000. Well, one fear be me, I go collect am. I go use you take sing go sote for social media. I know the lie when I try to talk on the 11th of August. That be my birthday. So Ebony, I beg may you do am. If you not do am, I will not send amount you get to May you do am. I will put the number for under here. May you do am. Happy birthday once and again, my sister. Once again, we love you. Not be say we not love you. Many people love you. It's just that they want advise you. They want try to tell you. No say sometimes you get the way where you for advice person. Not be that moment. You feel send a message say my sister try. May you still dey think about your life not just they think about other so you can't forget yourself sometimes it's still good like that no because we now where this abroad we know because sometimes we go carry everything we put for head we go just forget about ourselves our mia you still see some say you go forget to even talk say he want go marry he want go born now because of wetin they'll say wetin they do then they like and they give other people smile for their face they'll come forget themselves say your time not there again. Try to still sit down, make you still think about or say, time they go. I try, I come marry, I try, I come born. Now be that one. That is waiting me believe say they try to tell Ebony for that live video. When I know say depends of the way you take talk to person will take and say na offense. Like me now, me na person where they quit the offense well. But depends where you take tell me, I will still take and say okay. Some people if they want talk to person, they will talk and una know now. So it get way and way. And she they do her birthday, she they celebrate and say tomorrow na her birthday. So person can't provoke her, she can't charge well. That kind of thing go vex person. You go vex because maybe she don't do many things, you know, see, because many things there where she go don't do, but you know they show her because of say people go there where go they talk say, hey, how many years where you don't stay for them now this one now you feel do, whereas those one where they talk they never do anything. Now so people dey some people where they never even do anything and they talk pass. And then talk pass where you show what you don't do, what you use your hand do. Oh wait, not see how many years where they for abroad. Now only this one you do. If you go look and you not do anything, and a year my you woman, your head with my will not be the same. Not be a Baba God say create you, not be take create the other one. Now some people go there, go get her for Abuja, get for Lagos, get for the other one, but he not get peace. He not get husband. Maybe God don't use that say bless the other one. You use husband say bless her, he not get house. But now so it be for this life. So sometimes Ebony not the too much they reply to people for social media, you understand? I know say they provoke you, it pain you, so you don't want me you just see beat somebody that day, that yesterday, now you do one because you be superstar, you understand? So anybody if you talk to you, the best thing you will just block the person. Ask me say they do one. If I see say you commit nonsense for them, say your brain turn upside down, I know will talk to you. I'll just press on back on the person will go. Now so you just reach. Now I tell like this social media of a thing. You just press and the person will go bye now so it be. So my sister Ebony, I wish you long life and prosperity. I wish you what you wish yourself. Just dey calm, dey enjoy yourself. May you not still forget say tomorrow still day. You understand? Now leave that one they won't tell you. Not because of they don't love you, they love you. They love you, everybody love you. I know say not everybody not feel love you the way other person still love you, but now advice because I mean no go marry go back but now you understand, you know say some people they will get money go there with them. Everybody will just surround them. They go they follow and they eat the money. When the money go finish, they will run come out. You not see them again. They go then the first person will go even ask you say, as you get money rich, so you not get this one, all that money, you just they do one like this. Now you understand? Now advice, now person give, you understand? So not just to take and harsh like that, my beautiful sister. You know, say we are one. So we love you, Ebony Obasuji. Continue to do your good thing where they do. Continue to give people smile for face, but not forget yourself. Now only that one me I get to give to you. I still the talker Ebony. Next month na my birthday because you say person ask you they give. Now make me now I can't ask you. Now talk say you not go put on if you not put on well go to social media. Put am for inside there next month. Na my birthday, na next month. I wish you long life and prosperity again. Happy birthday. Celebration will never finish in your life. God will continue to bless you more and more. More and more. Rien we ya fe wa so that we yan ma o si ekiyan ma when you tire your orage no because yan we no bon ma gbe bagbon na e o won ma he. Beautiful Ebony, celebration continue in your life. So my people, I'll just put this small video more and listen to where Ebony for provoke attack that person wey ask and say wetin you don achieve, which time you take marry, how old you dey. Na wow, better some of our people na too funny o. See everything wey dem just ask only Ebony. More na still leave am small. Una give am advice say Ebony, we want see your children. Abeg, if I dey come na your house I go stay, something like that. You know, you dey use am take dey throw am for person. E go dey understand. Say na you come dey attack am say you don old o, you don do this one o, and which time you take marry o. Maybe she don marry, una no go know. As she dey talk am all the time say the day when she go marry, she no go put am for there. Even though I get boyfriend, I no go put am for them. Una see am. No be everybody dey show thing come out. They not be everybody. Some people just like and make them keep on. Why some go say, may I still show am, make people follow me celebrate. You know say sometimes when you say you want, make people follow you celebrate. Now then they go, your haters, they can't beat you. They can't do this one. But you not care. You don't want me to show am to the good people. So everybody don't they talk am. Say, yeah, and you can't do beer, una no. Una why what do that me over here? Now that one I talk. If you want marry, una no go no. You say if you want give her any gift. Not give her engagement ring. If you want give her a gift, may you give her a car. Chop life. Tell the story when you are old. Chop life when you are young. Then you tell the story when you are old. Now she they do so. But Ebony not forget. Now that one I talk and reach. One love, my beauty.
What is wrong with you guys? Why can't I celebrate my birthday every year? I will celebrate. Even see, my tell now. Even if I don't be a day, 100 years, I go celebrate my birthday. You're not crazy. If I don't celebrate birthday, what I will celebrate? Your death day. Are you mad? Are you normal? Are you normal? Haters, fake accounts, you are a crazy. You're mad. So I suppose to post my achievements for social media. But then you say I don't do this, I don't do this. You're very stupid. He got choke. I said, choke. Choke you. Choke. The Chris. If you carry my expenses for 1 month, you'll die. As in, you'll die. You're mad. You're talking to a don. Are you okay? I love to support people. If you go buy private jets, it don't stop you. You dey feel me? You dey mad? That was the way they crazy. Who are they? Who want spoil my mood? Because of that brother not spray with that money. They jealous. But I'm not jealous me because we not go see you go they play tomorrow we not go choke. I'm gonna remember, but my refunds were there. Yes, so tomorrow is going to be blast. I don't need an engagement ring now. Shut up. What do I need an engagement ring for? For what? To do what? Hello? Are you joking? I don't need it. Anybody will want to surprise me, buy me a new car. Don't be engagement ring. Today they do engagement. They crazy. Today they do engagement ring. I go don't bother begin a ball. Don't be say engagement. Don't be never do engage me. Oh, they worry that. Yeah, people. I don't get sense. Never online. All those fake accounts when they my stupid haters go they send. They go block. Everybody see. Hey, number one, don't go there. Don't get rival. Don't get rival. Don't get duplicates. Now me, ask about me. I support people a lot. I bless people. That one not say if I want to buy private jets, but I not buy them. You dey crazy. If I want, I don't see. Listen, I don't care what my mates are doing. I don't give a fuck what they are doing. Now what they do now they give me joy. If blessing people, supporting people's life will make me not buy private jet, I don't want to buy. I love to see people around me happy. I believe in myself a lot. There is nothing I've ever said to myself that I want to do that I've not done in this life. Except say I not put my mind say I want to do one. And I must choke. We don't talk too much. When the time comes, you will see. Am I supposed to take you to whatever I'm doing or wherever I'm doing something that they do? I'm not really mad. I'm not give away your family way to whatever. Oh. Tomorrow on my bed, I don't want verse. Tomorrow I know they make me the verse. I know they see me and not talk. My name is Ebony Obasi, aka Ezeka one. I don't give you that Ezeka one. Are they mad? I beg my people. Only today. I know how much I don't get. More than listen my advice to now. My country people will not get sense. Some of you will not get sense. This life one day, so do your thing. Not go die of starvation because say you won't achieve what your friends they achieve. No canton aka gum. I dey beat chests. I don't move with people for this. I don't want Saturday mention name. Now only one person, only one girl. Now they do what they do for this life, for this being why they so only one girl. Now they do one. When they pack people, they pay people bills, they support people. Only one person. No Nobody they try out. You they mad, you won't run. When a week, sometimes I'll blow 300K for 1 week. You they mad. I be your mate. Are you stupid? I bless people. I support, and I'm proud of it. Some of them are watching me. Nobody do ever write me say, hey, Bonnie, I need your help. Man, I don't send her money. If I show you it, transfer. My friend is a living witness. Now she had a send on my receipt, so she knows. She's here watching me. Or she'll watch it. She know. You dey Chris. You mad. Get there. Everybody, you dey well. Now you won't tell me I want to live my life. When that time come, everywhere goes see you. So relax. Okay? Yeah, people. If you don't reach a bone, you now want that. Now let me be artist with it. Okay. When only two of us name now they reign for this industry where Shami and my beautiful sweet sister. It's a sign that we are the biggest in this industry. It's a sign. Because only two of us that they talk about. Type our name for YouTube. Our go come out. Type of that one, you don't see anything. Now we be toppest star for this Bini. Ma Rain. Ma Buduwemi. Ma Luigo. Igo Vima. Ima Vigo. Igo Vima. Get we go fit Chester 700 kete bahe. Once. Iwano. Wameme. I don't get time, oh. Nobody at the talk your book where. Nobody go say no pass through me when no benefit one thing. Financially. Everything they are going cool. I don't care. I they bless people anyhow. I they support them. Best don't go ask me for help December. I they prepare for my show. I they prepare for my show. He asked me for 200,000. She asked for 200. I gave her 100,000 cash. And she they come from my house. No be one, no be two, no be three, no be four, no be five, no be six. No they mad. Who are me there? Funa soon I met another one. I bet I was going to blow my trumpet for social media. Are you stupid? How many years are you there? What's your business with my age, man? Are you mad? Are you bombing? Even if I be 100 years, it concerns you. I use your money. People are talking money, you're talking nonsense on social media. They're going to get a life. I don't watch you, I don't like on social media. If I don't like you, I don't watch you. If I don't like you, I don't see your posts. If I don't like you, I don't fucking care what you're doing. Then they say, if I don't do drop this life, I know they listen to comments. Hey, comment to women. Who me here? Not the craze. If I see something, I know they know. I don't know what we call they cast ourselves on social media. Man, I don't want to mention names. I they bless people in my own little way. Go say, nah, achievement. If I want to do what people they do, I don't do it since I get taste. If I don't want, I won't talk. If I want to do what people they do, I get taste. And if the time come, I will see them. I be a car. Here I go. Nonsense. That's the way go your feet day go your day. One motor will blow you. Una dey mad. That is your boy you are. I don't get sense. Some of you need to be talked to. Some of you don't get sense. Even if you have fake accounts, I don't say later they'll come watch and so as they now they do it for my fans. What you now? Now those haters will not get sense. In here we live video now. Show me your bank account. No, see how much they. Now they mad. Because I want to do what I know eat, I know bless people, I know help people. Because I want what I want. Who I want. You dey crazy? If I don't marry now, I go there. Wow. What do you want they achieve or never achieve? What did they achieve? Say I never married, I never born. So what? So what? Nah, chief title. Your pikin won't come feed me. If you like, you born your pikin day 20 years. I can't born my pikin day 1 year. You never see a man of 50 years old they do get man for a boy of 20 years. You did crazy. Don't get it twisted, guys. Don't get it twisted. Anytime you born your pikin, born my love, send me your account detail. You hear my love? Anytime you born your pikin, born anything you achieve, you do one. No ka beer, besi wone. No ka anything, besi wone ya. And when I say you see do your own. Back that door for me. No worry in life, my people. I am living well. I'm living well. As in, yeah. Money what they spray for party in a week. Some people go get some. I don't want to talk now. Don't let me talk. Don't say I don't get control. I don't get control. I don't get control. Sometimes I go dance 1 week. I go blow no less than 200,000. They support people. When I feel saying stupidity, not be stupidity. Oh, now waiting God say my call life can't do. And that thing where they on a mind, I don't dey now. That way they feel say don't dey now since. But we get it. We know what we want. So we not shut up. The grace. I doing better. No achievement kill them. I not use 100 years to achieve what I achieve. The day when I die and I run and I scatter and I do everything, you bug good do you? You go stupid. Am I your mate? You go choke. I get vision. I get dream. Money when I tell do film. Nagi wife 2019 was 3.5 million. Now I blow for Nagi. I paid your Ledoche $1 million. When I tell do that film, 3.4 million. I paid hotel for all my casts. I do confuse man. I know how much I spent. Over 3 million as well. You dey craze. You are very stupid for coming to my live video to say that nonsense. Am I supposed to celebrate my death day? If I don't celebrate my birthday, what I want to celebrate? Now the matter will say you say I not be their mates. I not be their mate for anything. I see they talk only one person. Now they chest with you and the chest. Only one person. I show a bank account. I bet bank with them. I move back more show account balance. I know they brag. They play the show. So I don't feel go hungry because say my mates they do what thing that they do. Your life no be my life. My life no be your life. I dey live my life the way I want. And I don't care what people say. You see me, Ebony Obasi, I don't fucking go to post pages to see what they post. Oh. I don't. Especially if I don't like you. Hey. Fuck. I don't care what you're doing, bro. I'm sorry. I don't care. I don't care what you do. What's your business with my birthday? My love is tomorrow, Jare. Tomorrow is my birthday. And my brother came to spoil me with some money. Now I want twat, one riffraff, one stupid fake account. When people were sending, they don't even feel boast of 50,000 for their account. Come they talk to me on my live video. Are you mad? Are you crazy? You don't know your mates? Man, if your body is small, then they're mad. When I cut some more, I said they cut my video, go they put up for whatever they want to put. I don't care. I don't need to not comment for that. If anybody want to comment, I will block your ass and I'll lay a curse on you. Because my brother or my sister. You work here, you're not mad. And they bless people. Okay? And I'm proud of it. They play the show. And they bless people. Which of I made to fit chest 100k, 200k dash person? They want to support and say anything they happen to them. And many of them feature and only one person. Only one person. Now they try for this thing. As we all take day. Only one person. They say when I come and tell and say, I born to come into work. But everyone. Ezeka one of the universe. I'm mad. You working. This better, you know how much you work collect for my only food and drink is close to 800k. They crazy. They born you with. So my people, and tomorrow we are cooking tomorrow as well to entertain my people. And thanks to my godmother, she said she go sort them. I be don't call my person say come collect money, may go buy what you want to cook. Ma Louis go, he go Louis ma. We they use a brag and they use money. You know see you builders get 3 houses, get 100 cars. Now they crazy. How many of them go carry pet daughters? Oh, I run no the school where no me stress I will rule le. Una dey who kwa me me. You work. I build a godmother. He dey play the show. Rubbish people. You won't come my live video because they say you've not achieved. Am I supposed to come and tell you what I've achieved so far? Are you a mad person? If you want us to brag, let's brag, bro. I have your body yakere. I have your body yakere. Why worry? Yeah. No, it's good to achieve. Oh, if for a woman If I get 20 houses, that many I'll stay. Now my husband house I go stay. Even if I build 100 houses now, am I going to stay in my house? Am I going to stay there? Not be my husband house I go there. Now my husband house, oh. I won't marry. I won't marry. My birthday last year, my 15th year anniversary last year, my godson sprayed me 500,000. Do you know why he sprayed me? Because while he was in school struggling, I was supporting him. Today is a big boy. I invest in human beings, and I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of it. Are you for crazy? How much of it dash person? They mad. I be your mate. This hair where they my head, so I buy her for her 200,000. Ask her. I bought and I paid cash. Now the Chris. If hair they hungry me to buy, I'll buy another. This is my birthday. Sorry, darling, I bought 4 hairs. And you know how much each they cost. I begin to give out the one my fair gets. So I know they talk anyhow. That don't even know you bear. My friendship, you know everything now. Miss Rita White, you don't know that yet. Don't be right from time. Oh, mama get the mayor broken by people. Right from time, they see money, they hustle well. Now get the point now. Come my page, tell me say no achievement of young boy. I invest in human beings. You're mad. The very day I acquired my land, that was the day I laid the foundation. I started my building. Take this message to who sent you. Go tell them saying I saw everybody talk. If you want to ask, I'll tell you where it is. Eh? The village, na Sapler Road, inside town. The Chris. I be that bit. It choke, Abi. It choke. All of us get taste. Every no can walk in me. You if you want build one room a parlor, me if you want build duplex. You if you want build duplex, me if you want build 10 duplex inside one house. Everybody get it today. I've blessed people. I've touched lives. Am I supposed to come and tell you, people, I don't go buy land though. People, I don't go buy house, so don't go there. I will do what I want to do when the time comes. Rubbish. And they crazy. I can't say on a corner. I can't come my page. You gonna feel you when I go. So Mona look here, Mona look here. Mona look here. Come, let me tell you all of you, as my there so. Okay, so at this age, I don't get relationship, I don't get man for my life. Now they crazy. I don't get sense. How is that possible? Or if I can't get my husband, I can't say, see my husband, I can't showcase him. I know, showcase him. Why you doing? I don't showcase him. If I don't see man, I don't go no. Since I can't post my marriage for Facebook. Why me Baba? Why no I can't marriage? What's the baby? What's the baby? Because I feel even everything I want to do, I don't know. I feel you get better, I don't know. I'll get born, I don't know. I born 5 children. I feel they say, hey, Bonnie, go and marry the one me via me. They just want to salute you. Where are you talking to my mom? Now I go cry. I beg, I don't use my cash cruise this afternoon. The haters, oh, not be my fans. All these people, sometimes you need to talk to them. If you don't talk to them, you know they hear. No, who want comment my darling? I they block them. Don't worry. I'm a blocker. I'm a blockist. I'm private with so many things I do, darling. I've learned that. Now before that would they say what you have for you? No, get what you have, you know sure. You know sure. So my people, go and get ready. My birthday is tomorrow. Gift is allowed because there was a birthday that happened last year. A colleague was doing birthday in the east. Anyone is there, the birthday ni. In less than 3 days, over 250,000 because I go here the video. But today, or takia or nerume. What's my now? Why is it one live video, man? Woman like a man who work better. You just pass. Must you stand and must you watch who you don't like? Must you watch who you don't like? Eh? You must not. You see who you don't like is doing a live video. You pass. You pass. Don't watch. When they say social media, I don't watch anything. I don't watch it. I don't watch it. God is my belief.